Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I am plowing and I'm going to be doing the Stone Quarry Hill Art Park. This is a commercial property that I plow. And yeah, this takes me about hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on the snowfall. We've got about maybe about 5 inches now. It's been snowing all night. It is 7:30 in the morning. So I'm going to bang this out. And this is mostly gravel. The main driveway going up to the top of the hill is paved, and then everything else is gravel. So gravel driveways are kind of a pain, and we've had a big thaw. I wouldn't even call it a thaw. We never had a freeze really to begin with. So everything's really soft, so I gotta be really ginger and try not to tear things up. So it's probably gonna take me a little bit longer to do this. But anyway, let's get to it. All right, so that's the end of the Stone Quarry Hill Art Park. Took me about an hour and 20 minutes to do that. So right around what I figured. I said an hour and 15, hour and a half. So yeah, about an hour and 20 minutes. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up down below and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more plowing videos. And when you subscribe, click the notification bell next to the subscribe button. That way you can be notified when I release new videos. And if you're interested in some more snow plowing videos, check out this playlist right here. And you can also subscribe by clicking this button right here. And maybe there's something else on the screen here, maybe not, I'm not really sure. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.